Have you been diagnosed with sleep apnea and prescribed a CPAP? Do you find your mask to be uncomfortable and noisy? If so, there is an alternative. Imagine going to sleep every night wearing an easy-to-use oral appliance. Oral appliances are the #1 alternative for sleep apnea sufferers who cannot tolerate CPAP. An oral appliance is an easy-to-use, effective solution to manage your sleep apnea. For sufferers of sleep apnea living in the Toronto area, Dr. Premer can offer patients a non-invasive and effective alternative to CPAP therapy with a custom oral appliance. Dr. Premer is a diplomat of the American Board of Dental Sleep Medicine and has more than 18 years of experience treating obstructive sleep apnea. To schedule a sleep evaluation with Dr. Premer, call 888-995-7398.